Everyone start coding wrong. Syntax first, logic never. This is why most people quit. When the coding journey began, the first step was to memorize code. Copy, paste, repeat. Nothing made sense. Then everything changed with one shift. Stop memorizing syntax. Start understanding logic. That one decision changed everything. Be real with yourself. Do you understand why your code works or you just hopping and hopping? Comment logic if you want to actually understanding coding. Here is the method that actually works for mobile app development. Step 1. Think the solution in plain. Step 2. Draw the logic on paper. No code yet. Step 3. Then write the code from your logic. This is how you learn coding fast in 2026. Logic is the language. Code is just translation. Comment code logic if you want a full video where this exact method is broken down step by step for beginners. 20 comments and the full video drops. Save this video right now, share it with one friend who is stuck memorizing code and not understanding it.